Today we have made Aam Panna. Who doesn't love refreshing Aam Panna on a hot summer day? Once the concentrate is ready, take a little bit of it, add ice cubes and water, and your Aam Panna is ready. And this concentrate will last you for months and months. Hi friends, welcome to Desiliceous Kitchen. Friends, if you like our videos, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. So over to our kitchen now. We have taken 2 raw mangoes. Together they weigh 500 grams. Now we are first going to wash, peel and chop the mango. So let's begin by cutting off the sides. Our mangoes are peeled now. Now let us begin to chop. Just chop roughly. There is no need to chop in any particular shape or size. The total chopped raw mangoes come to 3 cups. 1 cup is 250 milliliter in our recipes. So we are transferring all the chopped mangoes to a pan. Now we are adding 1 cup water. Add water enough to soak the mangoes. Now let us switch on the flame and place this pan of raw mangoes along with water. Keep the flame medium, cover and cook until the mangoes turn soft and the water dries up. We have also taken sugar. We need 2 cups sugar, about 400 grams. Now let us transfer the sugar to a pan. We are going to make sugar syrup. Add 1 cup water. We have switched on the flame now. We have to stir intermittently until the sugar dissolves and comes to one boil. So while the sugar is dissolving, let us check on the mangoes. Our mangoes are cooked. The water also is dried up. We have switched off the flame and now we are going to let it cool by transferring to a plate. The mangoes have cooled down thoroughly and we are transferring the mangoes to a mixer jar. Remember, the mangoes have to cool completely. To this, we are adding 12 grams or half cup mint leaves or pudine ke patte. 1/4 teaspoon crushed cardamom or elaichi powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 3/4 tablespoon rock salt, and this is half tablespoon roasted cumin powder. Now let us grind all this without adding any water. We have ground it to smooth paste like this. Even this tastes very good like a chutney. So now our sugar also has dissolved. It has come to one boil. Now we will add this ground mixture to the sugar syrup and mix it very well. We have to keep the flame on until this mixture reaches a sticky consistency. Now we have switched off the flame. Let us check the consistency. The mixture is sticky and is forming, just about to form a one string. It has not yet formed a full-fledged one string consistency. At this stage, when it is sticky, the mixture is ready. Now let us strain it. Now discard this portion. Our concentrate, Aam Panna Concentrate, is ready. If you add a pinch of acetic acid to it, this Panna Concentrate will last you for 1 year. But since I am not adding it, it will last us for at least 3 months. Now we are adding this concentrate to a glass. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons. It is now thoroughly cooled down. Let's add some ice cubes and some chilled water to it. Just give it a good stir. Garnish with mint leaves. And serve this tasty Aam Panna. Friends, do check out our other summer drink recipes. There are lots here, like lassis and fruit juices, and more coming up too. Our next video will be on milkshakes. Thank you very much for watching this recipe. Bye for now. Take care.